Hi children, welcome once again. This is 10th question in 8.4th exercise. What he given the information in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Then prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AD square. Okay, now first we have to draw one equilateral triangle. Okay, this is equilateral triangle, sir. Is it clear? Right. And what he gave information, D is a point on BC. We have to mark a point on BC that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Okay, BD is equal to 1 by 3. That's why, example, I am marking here. This is the D point. A given clue is BD is equal to 1 by God of BC. Right? Okay. And just we recall small basic information. That is, for every equilateral triangle. Okay, for every equilateral triangle, if we want to construct an altitude, means that altitude means perpendicular length. That altitude is compulsory meet at the midpoint of base. Is it clear? Already we know this information in 9th class. Otherwise, once you recall, these two triangles we have to show according by RHS axiom. We have to show they are the congruency. How means? For these two triangles, yeah, right angle is equal to right angle. Okay, the hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse. Already equal to triangle, and this is the common side. So these two triangles are satisfied RHS axiom. That's why these two triangles are congruency. When they are congruency, the corresponding sides are equal. BD is equal to DC. That's why this point is compulsory midpoint only. And not only an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle also. But that equal sides must be, sir, must be on both sides. If both sides means it will be happen like this. Okay, it is flexible for equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Okay, you remember this point. And come for proof, so triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, this information given. And again what he given, sir? Next, D is a point on BC. Otherwise, right here. Otherwise, D is a point on BC, such that how, sir? BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC given, sir. This point given. BD is equal to what is given, sir? 1 by 3 BC. Remember that word. Okay. Right. Are required to prove, what should we prove here? That 9AD square. 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Okay. Before we are going to do this proof, we need some construction. That construction is altitude only. This right angle. I drawn like this. Okay. A. That is draw. AE is perpendicular on BC. Okay, I drawn this is. Next, my intention how to find 9AD square is equal to 7AD square. Here AD is there, so we focus on AD sides. Oh, this is the AD side. With the AD, which triangle is right angle triangle? AED triangle is right angle triangle. That's why you take as AED triangle. In triangle AED, where is the right angle, Nana? Angle E is equal to 90 degrees. So that according Pythagoras theorem, we write as according Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we have to write with AD means AD square. Actually, this is the hypotenuse. That's why AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. AE square plus DE square. Okay, now we reached here. Next, what should we do? Slowly, this AE term and DE term we have to convert into as AB. Clear? Already in the AD side is there, but these terms we have to convert into AB. How to convert? Okay, where is the AE? This AE is there. Okay, AE with AB, this is the AB. Okay, take as this right angle triangle. First step in triangle AEB, right angle is at place of E. So again same dialogue in a right angle triangle. According by the according the Pythagoras theorem, we have to say AB square is equal to what should be written? AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. But we need AE square is equal to, you make the subject of AE square. AE square is to shift this BE. AB square minus BE square. This you substitute in this equation, first equation. Then what we get now? AD square is equal to, instead of AE square, we have to write AB square minus BE square, and already here DE square is there. Okay? Is it clear? Right. Next, what should we do means AD square, okay, is equal to AB square minus BE square also, okay, plus the DE square. Okay. Is there any way to change from BE to AB or BC? Yes, BE square means instead of BE, we can write as half of BC. Already we know. BC means automatically it is AB. So that BE square is equal to, we have BE is there. Yeah. BE square is BE is equal to, we can write as half of BC. Right, this is okay. What about DE? Instead of DE, how to write as BC? Means already BD length we know, even that. BD length is equal to 1 by 3 BC. By the help of this BE and BD, we have to find DE. How means? This is totally BE, Nana. This is the BD. BE minus BD, what we get? D. That's why DE is equal to the total BE minus BD. Clear now? DE length is equal to BE minus BD. We get DE. So substitute values. This is 1 by BC. This is 1 by 3 BC. So 6 is the LCM now. So 2 3s is this is 3 BC. 3 2s is 2 BC. So we get BC by 6. For what equal to? DE is equal. We know the length of BE and DE. Now convert it. AD square is equal to AB square, okay, minus BE. Instead of BE of BC means BC by 2 whole square. Okay, this is finished. Plus DE, instead of DE we have to write BC by 6 whole square. Okay, then what we get done? AD square is equal to AB square minus, instead of this BC we have to write AB only. AB square by 4. What is the problem? Also it's an equal. Okay. Here instead of BC, that BC also we have to write AB square by 36. Instead of BC, I written as AB. Why sir means We need AB only. All terms we converted to AB only. Slowly from BE and DE, we converted as BC. From BC to convert as AB. Right, no? 36 is the LCM. Okay, 136 means 36 AB square. 9 4 9s means 9 AB square. This 36 AB is 1 AB square. So watch. AD square is equal to 36 means plus 1 AB square. So 37 AB square minus 9 AB square is 28 AB square. Sorry, 28 AB square by 36. Is it cancel? 4 table, 4 9s, 4 7s. 9 should be set. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Is it clear now? Check once. చూడండి. Okay, note it, sir.